much as that show with the tractor.
What?
So it's Sprout. It's Tech, I think his name is. It says TEK. And he's got eyeballs.
Go for it, Sierra!
I can feel it. He's like, that's bullshit.
Bullshit, I could fit on a tractor. Tommy be like this. Be like, I could fit on a tractor.
This is so cool, honey.
So cool.
I'm gonna run shit
Hi,
down.
Sierra!
Sierra! Woohoo!
The tree is mine.
She gotta tell Uncle Bill we should do that again.
Yeah,
Watch.
that's nice. Yeah!
Woo! Hi, Sierra!
Hi, Sierra!
She's driving.
She's like, I don't care about
Mom,
you guys.
I don't care about the picture right now.
I know.